Hi, welcome to English with Polly. Do you want to speak English more naturally and confidently? Today, I'll share one simple but powerful technique that will help you stop translating and start thinking in English. It's called paraphrasing, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it, and we'll practice together. Let's get started. Let me tell you a little secret. The key to thinking in English is not about learning more words. It's about learning to use the words you already know in different ways. That's where paraphrasing comes in. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is the ability to express the same idea in a different way. For example, I'm very tired. You could also say, I'm exhausted. I feel so drained. I'm completely wiped out. Why is this important? Because when you stop focusing on finding the perfect word and instead focus on rephrasing, your brain starts thinking in English instead of your native language. How to practice paraphrasing. Here's a step-by-step guide to mastering this technique. Step 1. Start simple. Take a short sentence and try to rephrase it. For example, original, the weather is nice today. Paraphrased, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining and it feels great. The weather is perfect right now. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just try saying the same thing in a new way. Step 2. Expand your sentences. Now, let's add more detail. Take this sentence. Original. I like coffee. You could expand it like this. I enjoy drinking coffee every morning. I love a strong cup of coffee to start my day. Coffee gives me the energy I need. By expanding your sentences, you're training your brain to think beyond basic phrases. Step 3. Practice on the go. This is my favorite part. Practice paraphrasing wherever you are. For example, if you're reading a book or watching a video, pause and ask yourself, how else could I say that? What's another way to explain this? Let's try it together. Original. She's really happy. Paraphrased. She's overjoyed. She's in a great mood. Step 4. Make it a habit. Here's a challenge for you. Every day, take 5 sentences and rephrase them. You can write them down, say them out loud, or even type them in your phone. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to think in English naturally. Practice for you. Now, let's do a quick exercise together. 1. I'll give you a sentence, and you'll try to paraphrase it in your own words. Ready? Sentence 1. I'm hungry. What can you say instead? Here are some examples. I could eat something. I'm starving. I feel like having a snack. Sentence 2. He runs very fast. Your turn. What do you think? Here's what I came up with. He's really quick. He's as fast as lightning. He moves at an incredible speed. Write your ideas in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. 2. Real-life scenarios. Let's imagine some everyday situations and practice how to say the same thing in different ways. Scenario 1. You're at a restaurant and the waiter asks, "How's your food?" You want to say it's good. Take a moment, pause the video, and think, how else could you say this? Here are my ideas. It's delicious. It tastes amazing. This is really great. Scenario 2. You're talking to a friend about the weather, and they say, it's so cold today. Now pause and think, how else could you respond? Here's what I came up with. It's freezing outside. I can't feel my hands. It's so chilly. The weather is so harsh today. The key here is to focus on describing the same idea, but in your own words. Did you come up with something different? Write it in the comments. I'd love to see your ideas. That's it for today. Remember, paraphrasing is a simple but powerful way to start thinking in English. Practice it every day, and you'll notice a big difference in how easily you can express yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching English with Polly, and I'll see you next time.